In this video, we will discuss how to create chart of accounts in Sage 50 accounting software. From left side menu, you can select banking. You can select chart of accounts. Select new account. You can enter account ID. You can enter the description or account name. You can select the account type. From here, you can select account payable, account receivable, cash, assets, liabilities, income, expenses. Like that, you can select the account type. After that, you can save this account. If you want to create more accounts, you can click Save and New. Then it will save this account and open for new account. Furthermore, if you are selecting account ID, now for this example, in this company there are several accounts. You can see pattern in this account ID. Now for cash accounts, it will start 1 and it has 1010 and 1020 accounts. For current liabilities, other current liabilities, it's 2310, 2320, like that. Same range, it's there. For income, it's 4000, 4050, 4100, like that. So when you are creating this chart of account, please create proper account ID. So from that you can identify which type of account you are creating. So like that, you can create accounts. Now for an example, expenses also, you can see that number system. And also if you have more accounts or if you are creating future accounts, you can keep a gap between these two account IDs. Now if you can see 6000 next 6050, like that. So in between, later also you can create account like that. You can create account. After that, you can view list of that accounts. You can view the account ID, account description, account type, and running balance. So by clicking these headings, you can sort this table. You can sort by ascending or descending order. You can see this arrow. If you click again, it will sort descending order. Like that, you can view this account list.